Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure logrotate for preventing disk overrun on VPS, beginner guide step by step clearly. Logrotate is a powerful tool for managing log files on your VPS. In this guide, we will walk through the steps to configure logrotate effectively. First, log into your VPS using SSH. You can do this by using a terminal or an SSH client like PuTTY. Enter your server's IP address along with your username and password. Once logged in, check if logrotate is installed by typing the command logrotate version. If it's not installed, you can install it using your package manager. For Ubuntu, type sudo apt-get install logrotate. On CentOS, use sudo yum install logrotate. Now that logrotate is installed, navigate to the configuration directory. You can find it in /etc/logrotate.conf and the /etc/logrotate.d/ directory. Open the main configuration file by typing sudo nano /etc/logrotate.conf. In this file, you can set global options for logrotate. These options include how often logs should be rotated and how many old logs to keep. For instance, to rotate logs weekly, ensure weekly is uncommented. Next, set the number of rotated logs to keep by adjusting the rotate parameter. You might want to keep at least 4 to avoid clutter. Now, let's configure logrotate for a specific log file. Go to the /etc/logrotate.d/ directory to create a new configuration file. For example, to configure logrotation for Apache logs, type sudo nano /etc/logrotate.d/apache2. In this file, specify the path to the log file you want to manage. For Apache, it would likely be /var/log/apache2/star.log. Next, add the rotation frequency by using daily, weekly, or monthly. Then, specify the number of rotated logs using rotate. To compress old log files and save disk space, add compress to the file. You can also include options like notifempty to skip empty logs. Make sure to end the file with create if you'd like logrotate to create new logs. Once your configuration is complete, save and exit the editor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.